everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me. Before we get too far into this video, I got my hair cut. I mentioned it several times now, but I am hopefully having surgery at the end of May, and she's going to have to shave part of my head because she's going to start the surgery like right here at the base of my skull. So, and I used to have short hair, hence why my logo has short hair, but I haven't had short hair since like 2021. And I thought, you know what? I used to be the type of person who could just go in and go from long to short, and this time it feels a little bit different. So I thought I'm gonna go slowly go shorter as we go on, and then buzz it off when I have surgery. That way, when I'm recovering, I don't have to worry about anything related to my hair. So this is where we're starting. I'll probably go a little shorter next month, but yeah. I like it. It also makes me look not quite so bald. So we're going to go with it, right? Okay, so I have a lot of energy because this is what's happening. Tomorrow, Thursday, February 27th at 11 a.m. Central, there will be a video that goes live on this channel and an email that goes out to those of you on my newsletter, finally sharing and revealing my big announcement. I've been talking about this now for probably 6 months, 6 months. I can't believe we're finally here, and now it feels like time is going blah, 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 and I have so much left to do. It's just, but I'm just so stinking excited. I have so much energy. Plus, I probably have a little bit of a caffeine high because yesterday I had a Diet Dr. Pepper while I got our new tires, and then I had a Diet Dr. Pepper while I had my nails did, and then I had a Coke Zero with lunch, and then I came home and had a coffee. So I'm probably still over caffeinated from yesterday. And I had a coffee this morning. So if I'm a little blah, 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 you know why. So I have all of the excitement. I'm going to film that video as soon as I film this one, and I just can't believe it's here. So tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central Time, a video will go live, and then I'll be able to share all of the information with you guys finally. So if you haven't already and you want to sign up for my mailing list, that is listed. It's the first link in the description box down below. You're going to get a free PDF from me on how to pick patterns for your card making or scrapbooking. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Okay, in today's video, I have a little tiny and baby haul. Like, it's really little. I picked up a few things from Picket Fence Studio. I was in the hunt for another 6x6 flower. As you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, I have the dahlia, I think it's called botany peony, I can't remember. But I picked up another peony stamp, and then I picked up a few other things. One of their products I feel like is really innovative, whatever. So yeah, anyway, that's what's in today's video. Tomorrow will be the release video on this channel, or not the release video, the reveal video on this channel, and then tomorrow night on my Planning with the Elf channel, I'm going to have the 2 monthly spreads from March. And then last night on the Planning with the Elf channel, I posted a small little sticker haul. So if you're interested in that, the Planning with the Elf channel is listed down below. So yeah, that's it. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I hope to not cry during the next video, so I guess we'll see how that goes. But anywho, that's it. Let's head over to the craft table and I'll walk you through this quick little haul video. Everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. In today's video, I have a quick little haul for you. So if you didn't know, I love these 6x6 florals from Picket Fence Studio. And I've been in the mood to watercolor. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go see if they have any new ones. Well, they were having a really good sale, and then I think there was 25% off on top of it. So I picked up more than a couple of things, but I'm gonna share those with you today. So I picked up some dies and I picked up some stamp sets. So let's start with the stamps. So I picked up a couple of florals. So I got the Peony of Contrast. I believe this is one of their 6x6. It's one I don't have. I have the Botany Peony, Botan Peony, I don't remember. And I have the Hydrangea, which I love. And then here we have a Dahlia, I think. No, a Mum. So got the floral I was after. then they had some stuff, I guess they are discontinuing. So they had this seriously, absolutely, always. So it says seriously, literally, OMG, no, just no, really, truly, absolutely, never and forever, yes, always, infinitely, thankfully you are my family, obnoxiously, ridiculously happy for you. Apparently I was not reminded to send you a birthday card. You are an absolutely positively amazing human being. And then this one is sarcasm, my love language. I love your sarcastic soul. I think your response should be 2 words and 1 finger. You can achieve anything with a little sarcasm and profanity. I have never faked a sarcasm in my life. I didn't even notice. Oh my god. Okay, alright, I'm okay. I also need a nap. Okay, so this is the slimline scene building rectangle. So as you can see here, you can pull out these shapes and it has windows inside. I've been looking for ones like this, and like I said, these were on like in their clearance section, so hella on sale. This was Scene Double Alphabet, and these are like a whole thing. This 8-piece die cutting system creates 256 card fronts. Okay. So we have 2 slimline dies, one that's thinner, one that's thicker. Then we have grass, a picket fence. Then we have trees and birch trees. Isn't that cool? I thought these were really interesting. And then this one is nested rectangle dies, 17 dies in total. So we have 2 stitched, no, there's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 nested stitched rectangles. Again, these are slimline. Then we have I can't get well. I can't read that backwards. Lovely. Happy? You? I don't know. We'll look at it later, y'all. Does it say on the back? Oh, yeah. Day, get well, happy, lovely. Not to scale. That's good to know. Oh, and there, I didn't even notice. Yeah, there's sentiment dies on the inside, too. Yeah, so 8.5 by 3.5, 8.25 by 3.25, 8 by 3, 7 3/4, and 2 1/4. That's perfect. You guys know that I like to do my slimline die, slimline cards, 7 by 8.5, square at 3.5. So these are going to be perfect. Here's another one. This is scalloped frames. So you get 2 scalloped frames. Get hearts that says cheers. Cheers, hello, hi. So you get 2 circles, 2 scalloped circles, 2 hearts, and then 2 scalloped rectangle, and then you can use this to cut out the middle or add another layer. These are hella cool. This one is mini slimline, so it's stitched. So you get 2 stitched rectangles, so 3.5 by 6, 3.25 by 5 3/4, and then thank you and love ya. I thought these were great. Aren't these great? Like, that's really all I picked up, but I was really excited to see these. They will probably get me to get more of these. We'll see how we do. But I thought this would be really fun to work on, and I have also never faked a sarcasm in my life. So yeah, anyway, that's it, friends. Quick, simple, easy, to the point. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, sign up for the newsletter. That's linked down below. What else? If you haven't already, check out Planning with the Elf. I am doing weekly Planning with Me's over there. And I think that's it. It's cold here, y'all. It's cold. I'm filming this on Wednesday. It is currently 27 and it feels like 15. Earlier it was like 17 and felt like -3. in Dallas, Texas, it's cold. So anyway, that's it. All right, friends, love your faces. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.